Welcome to Crane Talk, powered by Link-Belt Cranes, where we will focus on the people, places, and parts that truly make the difference. On this episode of Crane Talk, we traveled across northeastern Florida to see various Link-Belt cranes in action. Our journey began in Palm Coast, where AWA Contracting rented a TCC 800 from local dealer Kelly Tractor. The TCC 800 supports foundation work for a new 4,700-acre residential development. AWA is lifting and placing 270 pieces of sheet piling. Altogether, the piling will support an 88-foot bridge to connect multiple segments of the development.
We're putting in a bridge here for them to cross over and tie subdivisions together. The total span of it is 88 foot. Our production on the 69 footers are about 3 an hour. The sheet piling do weigh about 14,000 pounds. The production schedule on the cranes helped us be able to mobilize and sew these sheet piling in to get them in on the 70 footers. We have about 250 sheet piling pairs to put in. Our production time, we figured 6 weeks. We're at 1 month now, so we cut it a little bit short. Yeah, the loads have been easy. I can just say it's very user-friendly because all the new stuff now is going computerized. Visibility is great. I call it the recliner chair in the cab is super. You can really set yourself up comfortable and make the job go easy. It's just a good all-around machine. I will get another one for another job like this.
Next up, we take a 40-minute drive west to Palatka, Florida, where St. John's Shipbuilding added a new 100 RT in 2025. Specializing in shipbuilding and marine repair, St. John's serves both domestic and international customers with its 850-ton dry dock and 98-acre shipyard. Day in and day out, they utilize the pick and carry ability of the 100 RT often when building up bulkheads or moving materials around the yard.
Supply boats, personal boats, ferries, barges, they want it built, we can build it. Pick all kinds, plates, angles, bulkheads, start fixing rolling modules. I like the quality of it. Put anybody in it ain't computer savvy, they can use it. Link-Belt, you get in it, it's set up, you get it go. They know how to run a crane, they can operate. If you have any questions, you can actually call Link-Belt, tell them what it's doing, and give you ways to fix issues. Oh, I love it. Well, you seen the way I just brought it around, pretty much the way it runs the whole yard. It's actually easier to get it in tight areas than a lot of them. We've ran it all day, every day, about 2 months ago. Our operator stayed on it about 9 hours every day. Never had an issue.
Finally, we ended our trip at Flaggler Beach, about 50 miles southeast from Palatka, where pier demolition began in early 2026 following the construction of an adjacent temporary trestle. Vicilio Construction uses 2 Link-Belt lattice crawler cranes for driving tubular pile and moving materials from the beach out to the pier for the project. The local community has been anticipating this project for quite some time, following damage sustained by Hurricane Matthew in 2016. The pier has been closed for the past 3 years, and the new pier is expected to be complete by February 2027. Stay tuned for more stories on the next Crane Talk.